Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, United States says it would delay sanctions if Ethiopian government and the Tigray forces cease ongoing hostilities and enter into ceasefire. Negotiation immediately and without preconditions. Viewers, on the other side, the government of Tigray are ready to cooperate with the United States authorities, including by facilitating and agreeing to independent investigation into allegation of any possible wrongdoing on our part. And viewers, I already informed you that the United States is to bring large sanction against all parties in the fighting in Ethiopia should no ceasefire be met. Those measures could come into force soon. We are looking at weeks, not months, a United States official said. These sanctions will be coming at a pivotal time in the conflict as the rainy season is about to end and fighting is set to worsen even more. The fact that all parties will be targeted is a clear attempt to quickly end the war by looking down vital revenue streams. Viewers, Abiy Ahmed has responded to United States President Joe Biden threat to impose sanctions if a ceasefire is met. Basically, he says no unless a ceasefire is met. Rather, the federal government is in a position of strength again as they prepare to go on the offensive with newly trained and equipped forces. It remains to be seen how Tigray forces leadership will react. So, viewer, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for
وعلى تقراي تزازملو اسمر عقد تبهللو سيرا وتقراي تبقسولو اسمر عقد تبعزلو وعلى تقراي تزازملو نشو عقد تبهللو سيرا وتقراي تلعينولو نشو عقد تبعزلو وفري 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 ناتك وفري وعلى ناي تقراي